are back and we're doing a quick video. We're not doing a hairstyle today, but we are going to review this heated gel conditioning cap. Okay, so I found this on Amazon. I've been looking for something to use so we can apply heat to her hair when we're deep conditioning without having to, like, you know, the ones that go on your head and you put a blow dryer in it. I don't want to be connected to the wall. I don't want to have her to sit under a dryer or anything like that. I wanted something where she could still go around the house and play and do her schoolwork, whatever she's doing, but I wanted it to heat up so the conditioner can penetrate her hair better because she has low porosity and heat is so good for that. But I haven't really had anything for her until I found this. So I found this on Amazon. This is a heated gel conditioning cap. So it's perfect for deep conditioning with oil, hair mask, and other treatments. Great for curl setting. Heats up in the microwave, and the elastic band fits most. Okay, so this is it. And the back. Okay, so it was about, I think it was $10. I'll put the link in the description. I'm just gonna open it so we can see what it looks like. So I already conditioned her hair. She just got out the bath, so I am deep conditioning it. I actually mixed a few new deep conditioners together that I wanted to try out together. I just got like the sample packs, you know, that are like $1.50. I got those, conditioned it, I sectioned it into little parts, twisted it up just to make sure the conditioner is really all over and in there good.
This is like the chair of testing.
So here is the cap. Now if you're supposed to heat it up in the microwave, and from what the review said, a lot of people said it lasts like 30 minutes up to an hour. And of course, since you can do it in the microwave, you can always reheat it if you need to go longer. So it's like pretty thick. It's got some weight to it. It's like got all this gel in here, and this gel is going to heat up in the microwave, and then you put it over her hair, and that heat will help the conditioner penetrate her hair better. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, here's the inside. It's just all black. It's a little stretchy. Hopefully this will fit her head. I put on a plastic shower cap just so like the conditioner won't get inside here or anything, so it's easier to clean. So I'm going to go heat this in the microwave real quick. It said to do it okay, so you never want to heat it longer than 30 seconds at a time and 90 seconds total. So we're going to heat it in probably 20-second increments until it's pretty heated. I don't want it too hot. I don't want it to burn her scalp or anything like that. So I'm just going to go heat it up a little and put it on and let you know what we think.
Yeah. That's great.
Okay, so I warmed it up for 80 seconds. So I did first 20 seconds. And then I felt it, I flipped it over, did another 30 seconds, felt it, turned it, and flipped it back over for 30 seconds. So it is pretty warm. I'm going to let it cool just a tiny bit before I put it on her head. It doesn't seem like too big, so I don't know, like maybe if you have more hair, it might not fit. This is just one size, it doesn't come in different sizes. It does have some weight to it. It has all these little individual gel pockets that heat up and everything. But yeah, I would recommend putting this on just so you don't have to clean the inside of this, like putting on a plastic shower cap. I wanted to get something that will give her some heat while we're deep conditioning, but not tether her to just one spot so she doesn't have to just stay in the house. And this was a cheap alternative to all the other products out there. It's not name brand or anything, I don't think. It is S&T Inc., so I don't know. It's not name brand, I don't think. But we'll see how long this lasts. We'll see how good it works. And hopefully it comes out good. So let me go ahead and put this on. It doesn't stretch that well, so you're gonna have to be careful. Is it hot? Is it too hot?
I don't
anywhere?
feel it.
You don't feel it? Okay. That's good.
My brain's gonna squirt out.
Okay, so it's a little tight.
Yeah, really tight.
Okay, so it's a little tight. It might just be because it's the first time she's using it, so it needs to, stretch a little and wear. She didn't say it was hot. You don't feel it on your skin or anything like that. It's not too hot, right?
Myself, but when you first put it on, I felt it like right here.
Yeah, I kind of put it on your forehead. Sorry about that. But yeah, so this should be okay. This is going to keep her hair heated while we deep condition. We'll see how long the heat lasts, and I'll let you guys know. Let you know if I have to maybe reheat it or anything like that. We'll let you know if it gets more comfortable or if it's kind of just uncomfortable to her the whole time. But she's tough. She can withstand it. We're going to try to go for about an hour deep conditioning.
I'm not tough. I'm very weak.
So I'm going to let her wear this for an hour, and we will be back to let you know how it went. See you soon. So it has been an hour. The cap is no longer warm. I want to say it was about, it lasts about 20 minutes warm, and then it kind of cooled off.
Yeah, I did not like it. I didn't.
It lasted about 20 minutes warm. It didn't even stay warm that long. So from what people were saying in the reviews, I don't know what they were doing to get it to last longer, but you can take it off, rewarm it, and put it right back on. That's totally fine. That'll work out too. What are some things you didn't like about it?
It was very tight.
So it's very tight. So this little thing, and she's a kid. She's 8 years old. She has a small head, and it's still tight to her. So I'm thinking we need to stretch it a little, and hopefully the more you wear it, the more it'll stretch. Maybe I'll try to stretch the elastic a little more. It is only one size. It says one size fits most. I know it's supposed to be on there and stay tight if you're doing things, so I like that, but she just didn't like it because she's not used to having something that tight on her head. And she complains a little bit. But what else didn't you like? Is that it? Just it was tight?
It was really tight, and then when I had to scratch, I was like, why isn't it working?
And she couldn't really get to her scalp because this is so thick. Is it too heavy for your head, or is it just...
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, but does it hurt? Or is it just you just notice the weight?
When I was just doing my own stuff, playing my game, it was like I kind of felt it getting heavy. When you first put it on, it was a little heavy.
But you kind of didn't really notice it. You just kind of... It does have some weight to it. I'm sure a smaller kid would notice it a lot and probably not like it. But I think it worked okay. I'm going to go rinse out her hair and see if maybe it helped at all with the deep conditioning process. See if maybe it's worth it at least a little. But yeah, from so far, she doesn't like the tightness. It doesn't stay warm very long. I thought it would last a little longer. But yeah, so let's go rinse out her hair and see what it turned out like. Alright guys, so I rinsed her hair out, and I want to say when I took the cap off, the inside of the cap was still warm. And her scalp was warm, her hair was warm. It wasn't hot, but it was all warm. So I think just the outside of it felt like it wasn't warm anymore, but the inside still was pretty warm after an hour. So even reheating it, it would work so much better. But yes, it did work. It was pretty warm. She couldn't really explain to me that her scalp felt warm, but as soon as I took the cap off, I felt it. Even the hair was pretty warm. So I want to say it did work. The heat did get to the hair. It did let the conditioner penetrate a lot more than it usually does, because usually I just put a shower cap on and then like a warm towel from the dryer, but that only lasts like 5 to 8 minutes, if that. So it's like this lasted an hour. It kept the warmth in, and I think it allowed the deep conditioner to actually penetrate her hair a lot better than normal. Her hair is nice and bouncy and fluffy, and it's just, I think it worked really well. So yeah, that's all I want to say. You can always reheat it if you want a lot of heat, But after an hour of only heating it once in the microwave for 80 seconds, it worked pretty well. Like she said, it was tight. It was a little heavy, but I think maybe if we stretch it a little, like stretch the elastic, it would help out. So if you do have a big head, it might be tight for you, but she could also just be complaining because she's not used to something that tight. It could just be tight, like snug, so it doesn't slip off because it is kind of heavy. And if you're moving your head around, the weight would make it slide off or move if it wasn't tight around your scalp. So I think it's pretty good for the price. It was only $10. It allowed her to do other things, not just sit in one spot, and it really helped our deep conditioning process. So I call that a win.
I hated it. If it came in different sizes, like a bigger size for me, it would have been a little better because I just have the heaviness to worry about and the itch to worry about.
Yeah, well, I think it's got to be tight for that reason where it's a little heavier, and if you move your head around, it could slide off if it wasn't tight. I mean, it didn't leave any marks on her head, so it's not like it was cutting off circulation. It didn't leave any indents, so it wasn't too tight. I think she's just not used to it being tight and secure and snug because all her sleep caps and shower caps are loose. They're not super tight against her head, so I think it's fine. It is one size though, so be wary of that. But yeah, guys, so I mean, if this helped you out or if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up because we really appreciate it and it helps our channel out a lot.
Subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell to be notified for every video we make. Share this video with everyone you know, including your grandpa.
Your grandpa might want to know about this deep conditioning. He might want silky conditioned hair.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. It really helps us out. And hopefully we'll be back very soon with a new style.
Comment down below if your head fits this. If so, that is amazing.
Yeah, if you've used this or one similar to this, let us know how you liked it. Let us know the brand or the type and where you got it from. Let us know how it helped you. And the link to this one that I bought will be in the description. It was from Amazon. It was about $10. And yeah, so you guys can check it out yourself and let me know how you liked it.
You guys, comment down below if you want Mommy to try this.
Yeah, I can try it. I'll do a deep conditioning of my own. I'm not afraid of it. Like you.
It's extremely tight. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you next time.
She's not sure. Bye.